Oh my goodness. You're ridiculous. What are you doing? You're ridiculous. Don't bite my ears, please. Look at this silly fox. What are you doing? What are you doing? What you doing, silly Blizzard? Thank you. Oh, thank you. That is my head. Thank you. I appreciate it. Your whiskers are in my eye. It's better than teeth. I love you too, Blizzy. No, not my jewelry. Oh, that's a mole. You can't take that off either. Excuse me. Yeah. You're just trying to help out, huh? He's ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Who are you grumbling at? Huh? Oh, you see Kestrel out there? You grumbling at Kestrel? Oh, you better quit grumbling. I'm gonna make you get down. Yes, sir. Leave my ears alone. Gosh. All right. Golly.